Hello everybody, I'm Gary Britten and welcome to Britten Farms. Today on this episode of New Tool Tuesday, I would like to thank the sponsor of this video, Nuiu Hydraulic Tools. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I did reach out to them and I told them that we had a hydraulic hose that busted on our round baler, and we had a few more hoses on some of our other equipment like our hay rake, my new Holland conditioner mower. Yeah, I got a couple of hoses on there that needs to be replaced, and they was kind enough to send out this hydraulic hose crimper. So let me go ahead and we'll get this out. Okay, this does come in a nice case, a hard plastic case there to keep everything nice and organized. Put that in the shop along with your tools. It'll be easy to grab right off the shelf, or you can keep it in your truck. If you got an extended cab, you can keep it behind the seat, or if you got toolboxes like I got on my flatbed, I've got room on my toolbox that I can go ahead and keep this in the truck, and I can have it with me at all times. The only thing I'll need to do is make sure that I have some spare parts and some hose in the truck when I go out in the field, and that way if I break down, I can go ahead and repair that while I'm in the field, and I don't have to waste time of going to town, getting the correct hose for it. I can just go ahead, take the hose off right out there in the field. I can measure it out. I can cut off the hose that I need, and then I can get the fittings out, and then I can get this tool out, and then I can make my repairs right there in the field, and it'll save me time and money. So I do want to thank Nuiu Hydraulic Tools for this. It is going to be a great blessing to the farm. So let's go ahead and get this dude open, and I'll show y'all what all it comes with. So let me go ahead and bring y'all in for a closer look. Okay, it does come with their company name. It says product certification. It gives you the purchase date here, and then it was inspected by. It comes with some O-rings. Comes with your owner's manual. You do have some color coordinated fittings that goes inside there that'll fit to different size of fittings that you need to clamp on your hose. So let me go ahead and get this out, and I'll show y'all how it hooks up there. Go ahead and open that up. Wind's blowing, so let me go ahead and put that up here. It does have a little pin. Pull that out. You open that up. Then you just take one of these, and then what you do is you just squeeze the two ends together, and then you see that little slot right there. Then you got that little slot there that'll go right inside that, and then you just lock it in underneath of those. You take the other one and you pinch it. Hopefully y'all can see that, and do the same thing. Stick it in, lock it under that, and then you close this up. Close that up. You take your lock pin, stick it in there. You have your hose in there. You can adjust your pressure gauge, and then you just start pumping this, and then this will tighten up onto your hose and do the crimping for you. This is going to be a blessing to the farm. Let me go ahead and get this back out here. It's real easy to open and close. You just take that out. Well, let me set it down. It's easier to do it with. There, you just take that out. Then you can just kind of pinch it back together. Put that right back in its case. Close that back up. Put your pin in. Then you can stick your tool back in there. And then you can close this up for storage. Put it back in your shop, lock it down, and it's ready to go to the next time. Lord, it's hot. Okay, I would like to thank Nuiu Hydraulic, excuse me, can't talk today, tripping over my words. Would like to thank Nuiu Hydraulic Tools for the donation. It's going to come in real handy around here on the farm for making repairs on our equipment. It's going to be a great blessing. It's going to be a lot much easier for us to repair our equipment, having the correct tools when something happens. I do want to thank each and every one of y'all for y'all's support. It truly means a lot to me. I want to thank you for liking, sharing, and commenting on the videos. That helps get us out there. And with that being said, that means that without y'all doing that, I could not do this. There would not be a rescue. Without you, there is no rescue. So I want to thank you. Y'all truly mean a lot to me. By subscribing, liking, and commenting, y'all are a part of our journey. Y'all will be part of the horse's story that we rescue. You'll be part of their rescue story. Each and every horse that comes through here, y'all are a part of saving. And I want to thank y'all for that. It just truly means a lot. I can't tell you how thankful I am. So, just remember, like what I always say, saving one horse won't change the world, but it'll change the world for that one horse. So it looks like it's going to be the end of this video. I want to thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for listening to me ramble on as usual. Y'all have a good week and God bless.